Hi, MQ partners, Amy here, reaching out, making a short video to encourage you to think about signing up for our EQ skills workshop that we're going to have in January. We're really excited about this new advanced program for our current Money Quotient community. We're actually pulling a piece out of our brand new implementation consulting program that is actually for new advisors coming on board with Money Quotient that we've never had before. And this teaches some facilitation skills, effective facilitation skills in using the MQ tools. We use some frameworks like motivational interviewing to help advisors become more effective when using the MQ tools. So it has been extremely well received so far, and we thought, how cool would it be if we brought it to the rest of our MQ community? So if you've been with MQ for a while and you're looking for a little bit of a refresher, while also at the same time learning some new facilitation skills, watching some demonstrations, seeing different ways of navigating that conversation, then this would be the thing for you. Plus, I would love just to reunite with a whole bunch of you. It is going to be worth 15.5 CE credits, so you can blow an entire year plus of your required CE that you need to get. So hope to see you there at the EQ Skills Workshop in January. Happy holidays. Bye.